Hi guys, in this guide I'm gonna show you 4 ways how to read WhatsApp messages without these blue tick marks. Let's go! The first thing, you can go to settings. Let's close this chat, go to settings, these 3 dots at the top right, or gear icon at the bottom right on iPhone. Tap on settings, go to privacy and disable read receipts, just like now. But in this case you will not be able to check if somebody read your message as well. The next smarter way to read WhatsApp messages in stealth mode is WhatsApp widget. So on your home screen, just tap and hold on any empty space and go to widgets section. Now find WhatsApp widget here, or maybe you need to scroll down and expand the WhatsApp section. Now select this big widget, tap and hold, then drag it and drop to a good place. And now let's receive a WhatsApp message. And you can read this message without a trace. Also, if your WhatsApp notifications are enabled, you can read short WhatsApp messages right from the notification panel without blue tick marks. And one last thing in this regard is notification history. You need to open your settings either from the control panel or from apps screen. So find settings. Now tap on the search bar and search for notification history. Now tap on that, go to notification history, and here are your messages from WhatsApp and from all other applications for that matter. So guys, that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.